Well, hello, Team Numis Canada, which is my subscribers, coin collectors young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have kind of a mystery mail call because I'm not sure what these are, but we'll get into these right after this. Welcome back. So I am curious to see what's in here. So I'm going to open that one first and set the other one aside. I thought that. Oh, there we go. And this is obligatory paperwork. And this is something that I saw on another channel, and I just had to have it. It's the difficult to get Hawaii State Quarter. And it's in this presentation. This came from Hawaii, National Park, Hawaii, and it has the stamp and the coin. And it is in a lovely presentation that looks like it has a easel where this will display, but I'm not going to open it because this is a very special coin that I ordered, and it's been a while since I ordered it, so I wasn't sure if I was going to get it. So we have an empty box there. So one very cool coin, and it's been a lot of US coins lately. My goodness, Bruce. This is the Numis Canada channel. Are we going to have a Canadian coin? I have a feeling this one's not a Canadian coin because I think I know what this is. And I will just cut the shrink wrap. Get rid of the obligatory paperwork. Put that down. And come on. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. There we go. And okay. Certificate of authenticity. Oh, and this is the Micro O Morgan silver dollar. Okay. And here we go. And you can probably guess where I got this. But yes, this is another coin. VG Morgan silver dollar Micro O. And it's nicely toned. It's pretty well toned. And how you can tell the Micro O is the very tiny O. And I think you recognize that logo. So you know where I was able to find one of these. Their certificate of authenticity is too large for the display box. That's not very smart. Okay. So, oh, and this actually shows the difference between the two. I'll show this in detail with photos I upload. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.